ingredients is I, Super Evil Genius, and in this episode we're going to show you how to cook barbacoa. This video is mainly for my family because they really love my cooking, and so I want to assist in making sure they can replicate my cooking. As for what barbacoa is, barbacoa is a form of cooking meat that originated in the Aquata-speaking Caribbean with the Taino people, from which the term barbecue derives. In contemporary Mexico, it generally refers to meats or whole sheep or whole goats slow cooked over an open fire, or more traditionally, in a hole dug on ground covered with agave leaves. Although the interpretation is loose, and in the present day, and in some cases, may refer to meat steamed under tender. This meat is known for its high fat content and strong flavor, often accompanied with onions and cilantro. So, let us begin the cooking! I got my chef hat! Yay! I'm a chef! Whoa! To the kitchen! Hello, we're in the kitchen, and I got my handy dandy Garfield apron. I love Garfield! Yes! I'm gonna put it on! It's on now! Now for the ingredients. You need beef cheek. I prefer to get the ones from H-E-B, they're more quality. And I prefer to use 2 packs. You also need half an onion and garlic. You also require salt, but I'm watching my family's sodium levels. So you can just add like dashes in there and stuff. If you like salt, you just add 2 teaspoons per slab. Let's get to cooking! Oh yes, most importantly, you're going to need a slow cooker. Preferably one that can go on too high. And now, all you do is just put all the ingredients into the pot. How easy is that? Very easy! Yay! Alright, let's begin. Fast forwarding so you don't have to sit through this thing. And now you're finished preparing it. All I have to do is put the lid on, snap it into place, place it on high, and then wait 8 hours. Yay! Woo! Yay! And so after 8 hours, you just get some spoons with holes and you scoop out the meat in full, and then you put it into a bowl, and that's when you start using forks to tear it apart, and it'll be ready for corn tortillas. Corn tortillas with cilantro and raw onion. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Like and subscribe, comment down below, and hope you enjoyed watching my recipe thing. Bye!